Party's here!
美味的牛杂包，
牛杂包，
耶，可以吃了。
Hey guys! Winter is coming to Guangdong, and this year it came a little bit faster and a little bit colder. So, for cold weather, we were thinking, let's have some Claypot food. So Didi, what are we having today then?
Some beef Claypot. In Chinese is 牛杂包.
I can't wait to see those steamy coals. I'm in the mood. Let's go.
It's my mom's birthday and I made this for her. I made this.
Cool!
I was shattered when you left.
Hey guys!
Hi!
Hope I was bereft.
First dish has arrived.
Into the ether with this
What's that, Fred?
Cucumber.
down into the
Cold
valley
here.
of the ghost.
It's winter!
Old graffiti on the stair.
Sounds crispy.
Harbor over there. Written as the early evening sun traveled down into the valley where the sunken bodies lay. We were young, felt so old, standing on the edge of nowhere, done so headstrong, acting on an empty feeling seen on a screen, heard on radios, read in some stolen library book.
Wow, that will certainly warm you up. It's so warm, of course, because it's burning hot coals.
The party's here!
美味的牛杂包，
牛杂包，
耶，可以吃了。
牛杂包. Now there's a lot of different parts of the cow inside that clay pot.
It's definitely a winter warmer of a hot pot here, and it's cool to have this clay pot and these burning hot coals. So this is not your average beef hot pot, that's for sure. It's like a biology lesson about the anatomy of a cow, the innards of a cow.
Now let's have a look what they put in this clay pot hot pot. For example, this looks delicious. Also in this soup is tofu. Now I really like this kind of tofu because it really absorbs all the juices and all the soup. And then when you eat it, it releases all the juices. It's super tasty. Now this is my favorite kind of tofu in soup. Okay guys, now I found a part of the intestine of the cow. Now I'm not a fan of this. It's very hot. It's very hot. It's very rubbery.
Yeah.
And inside is like meaty jelly. I think Freddie would like this actually.
No. That's because the cow.
But for me, I stick to the
goes
beef.
down there.
些国家的？
荷兰。
啊，荷兰。你普通话讲的挺好的。
这个不是土豆吗？
不是土豆，萝卜。
萝卜。
对。
萝卜。
萝卜。
Looks like a potato, but it's actually like a turnip, I suppose you would say.
I'm gonna get some soup. Regular beef. Regular beef. This tray full of vegetables and tofus and noodles, and now we're gonna put it in the soup. Oh yeah.
World's biggest teapot. This is the biggest teapot I've ever seen. It's like 1.5 times bigger than my head, and that's big.
Some mini mushrooms. Wait.
小心，我给你换一个炉啊。
We're gonna change this.
哎呀，
哦，好了好了。
It's still a bit chilly. This soup is very popular in Guangdong. I think the difference is in hot pot and this soup is that hot pot, you know, the soup is usually you don't have meaty soup. The soup is very meaty and thick. The soup in hot pot you can choose like very thin, light. But yeah, this one is very popular in Guangdong. Hi guys, we just finished our winter Guangdong meal here in Shenzhen and now we're gonna head back home and hope you subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.